You've heard it everywhere. AI is the new gold rush. Everyone's talking about it, but most people are staying there with a plastic spoon, hoping they'll strike gold by just using ChatGPT once in a while. Here's the truth. You don't need to be a programmer, a data scientist, or even remotely tech savvy to make some serious money with AI. Because right now, the biggest opportunities aren't going to the coders. They're going to the problem solvers, the people who know how to use AI to get results faster, better, and cheaper than anyone else. And in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest, most realistic way to make your first $1 million using AI, even if you're starting from zero. No complex tech, no coding, no fake guru nonsense, just a simple framework that real entrepreneurs, creators, and freelancers are already using to generate 6 and 7 figures by applying AI the smart way. If you're tired of watching everyone else talk about AI money while you're stuck on the sidelines, stay locked in, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to start earning, even if you've never written a single line of code in your life. So let's get started. Here's the truth about making money with AI that no one on YouTube seems to be talking about. Most people think AI money means building an app, coding a new tool, or inventing the next ChatGPT, but that's not where the fast money is. The real money, especially for creators, freelancers, small business owners, and solopreneurs, comes from using AI to solve problems faster than anyone else. That's it. Because here's the thing. The opportunity isn't the technology itself, it's about who applies it first to make something faster, cheaper, or better. Think of AI like electricity. The people who got rich from electricity weren't the ones who invented it. They were the ones who used it to power factories, build cities, and start businesses before anyone else caught on. It's the same thing happening right now. AI is the new electricity, and the people who move first, who figure out how to use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Claude to produce faster results are the ones quietly stacking 6 and 7 figures. Meanwhile, everyone else is stuck wasting time learning how AI works instead of learning how to make AI work for them. You don't need to know how to build AI. You just need to know how to apply it to real world problems. That's how agencies are doubling their profit margins. Freelancers are doing 10 projects a week instead of 2 to 3, and creators are turning one video idea into 20 pieces of content overnight. So if you've been sitting there and thinking AI is cool, but I don't know where to start, stop overthinking it. You don't need to become technical. You just need to become practical. And in the next section, I'll show you exactly how, using a simple 3-step formula and framework that anyone can follow to start making money with AI today. If you want to make real money with AI, not maybe someday money, but money that actually hits your account, you only need 3 steps. For the complexity, forget the 200 new tools launching every week. This is the simplest roadmap that actually works. Step 1, pick a problem people already pay for. Do not try to invent something new. Find something people already spend money on, things like marketing, content creation, design, copywriting, lead generation. If businesses are already paying humans to do it, that means there's money on the table. Your job, use AI to do it faster. Ask yourself, what are people paying for right now that AI could make 10 times faster or cheaper? That is your first gold mine. Step 2, use AI tools to do that task 10 times faster. Once you know the problem, use AI to just crush the workload. No need to write content. ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai. Need to design? Use Midjourney, Ideogram, or Canva Magic Studio. Need to edit videos? Opus Clip, Runway, Descript. The tools are your leverage. You're not selling prompts. You're selling speed, precision, and efficiency. For example, with Reviewly.ai, local businesses can automatically collect and respond to reviews using AI. What used to take them hours every week now happens in minutes. That's where the real value is. You're not selling AI. You're selling saved time, better reputation, more sales. Step 3, sell the output as a service or a digital product. Here's where you get paid. You take the AI-powered results and package them into something people already understand. Maybe you offer AI-powered review management to local restaurants, or AI content repurposing to YouTubers, or AI ad copy to e-commerce brands. You take something familiar and add AI engine underneath it. That's your edge. That's your offer. And the beautiful part, you don't have to do this alone. Inside my Skool community, I break down exactly how to turn these ideas into sellable services, how to price, package, and find clients ready to buy. It is the fastest way to go from learning about AI to selling with AI. Now, that's a 3-step framework. Let's get tactical. In the next session, I will show you real examples, real people, and real use cases you can start with this week, even if you've never made $1 online before. Now let's make this real, because theory is cute, but money shows up when you take action. I'm going to walk you through 4 proven beginner-friendly ways people are using AI to make anywhere from $500 to $10,000 a month, even if they're not technical. You ready? Let's go. Example 1, AI content repurposing by turning one video into 20 separate posts. This one's a gold mine if you're into content, marketing, or if you're on social media all day. Here's how it works. You take a long form video, like a YouTube video, podcast, or even a webinar, and you turn it into multiple short pieces of content. Use Opus Clip to automatically find viral moments. Use ChatGPT to extract quotes, hooks, and captions from the transcript, and then drop them into Canva or Notion to design carousels, tweets, and even LinkedIn posts. Now, you've just turned one video into an entire month's worth of content in under an hour. Who buys this? Coaches, YouTubers, agencies, consultants, business owners looking to get on social media, basically anyone creating long videos but are too busy to repurpose them. You can charge anywhere from $500 to $1,500 per client per month for AI-powered content repurposing. They don't care how you do it. They care how you save them hours every single week. Example 2, AI website creation. Build beautiful websites in hours, not weeks. If you can click buttons and fill forms, this one's for you. Use Framer AI or my favorite, Lovable.ai. They let you build websites and landing pages by describing just what you want. I've built nearly 100 pages with Lovable.ai for myself and for my clients. You can literally say, create a website for a fitness coach who helps busy moms lose weight, and boom, it generates a full design, layout, and copy. So here's your process. Have clients fill out a simple intake form, your brand, name, offer, and vibe. You plug that info into Framer for Lovable, the AI builds the site, you make small design tweaks, publish, and deliver. You can charge $300 to $1,000 per website, or even more if you include landing pages, email automations, and maintenance, right? Or monthly hosting. Here's the best part. You can stack the clients. One day, one website, $1,000. How easy is that? Example 3, AI review and reputation management. This is my favorite. This is where Reviewly.ai shines. Local businesses, restaurants, salons, real estate agents, home service companies all live and die by their online reviews. Reviewly automates the entire process using AI. Requests reviews automatically after a sale, handles responses with AI-generated replies, boosts visibility and trust without you having to lift a finger once they are set up. You can sell this as a done-for-you AI reputation service and charge anywhere from $300 to $1,500 a month per client, depending on the size of the business and what's included. Even landing just 5 small clients could mean $2,000 to $5,000 a month in recurring revenue. Example 4, AI ad copy and email sequences for businesses. Every business needs ads and emails. The problem, writing them, is slow, expensive, and repetitive. With AI, you can do it 10 times faster and better. Use ChatGPT, Copy.ai, or Notion AI to write ad variations for Facebook, Instagram, and Google. Create email sequences for new product launches. Test different tones, calls to actions, and emotional hooks. You can charge $50 to $200 per email, or $500 to $1,000 per full campaign. E-commerce stores and small agencies love this because it saves them hours of copywriting every week. And if you're consistent, you can easily turn this into a $5,000 to $10,000 a month side business. Now, here's what's wild. None of these examples require you to build or code a thing. You're not making AI tools, you're using AI tools to make people's lives easier. That's exactly what we teach you inside of my Skool community. How to pick the right niche, position your offer, and start closing clients using AI to put money into your bank account. So whether you're a freelancer, a marketer, solopreneur, or somebody just trying to start something from scratch as a side hustle, these are your shortcuts. You've got 4 proven, scalable, high demand offers you can start building this week. Now that you've seen the what, let's talk about how you think. Because the real difference between people who make $100 with AI and the people who make $1 million with it, it isn't the tool, it's the mindset. Listen, this is the most important shift you'll ever make if you want to go from just using AI to actually making real money with it. Because here's the truth. AI tools don't make you rich. Solving problems does. Every broke beginner I see right now is obsessed with prompts. What's the best prompt for ChatGPT? What's the secret workflow for Midjourney? Meanwhile, the people like me stacking cash are asking completely different questions. Who has a painful problem right now? How can I use AI to solve it faster, cheaper, or better than anyone else? That's it. That's the $1 million mindset. Let me break this down. Mindset shift number 1, from tool collector to problem hunter. If you open your laptop every day just to test new tools, you're wasting your time. AI is moving too fast, you will never catch up. Instead, focus on hunting problems. Here's an example. Instead of learning 100 AI apps, find one industry like real estate, e-commerce, or content creation and figure out what's slowing people down. Maybe real estate agents spend hours editing listing videos. Maybe e-commerce owners struggle to write product descriptions. Maybe creators can't keep up with their posting. When you find that pain point, use AI and just remove it. That's where the money lives. Mindset shift number 2, from freelancer to system builder. Here's a trap most people fall into. They sell their time instead of selling systems. If you're charging per hour, you will always hit a ceiling. But when you build a repeatable system using AI, something that gets predictable results, you can sell that over and over again. Example, don't sell I'll write you 3 blogs. Sell an AI-powered content system that generates 10 SEO blogs per month, guaranteed. Don't sell them I'll design your ad. Sell them an AI ad system that creates, tests, and scales your winning ads for you. You're not a freelancer. You're a business owner with a system, and systems scale. Mindset shift number 3, from doing it all to automating fast. Here's the mistake. People think using AI means doing everything themselves faster. Wrong. Real leverage comes when you automate and delegate using AI. So spend time building, not just doing. Use Zapier, Make, or Airtable to automate workflows. Use ChatGPT to create SOPs, which are standard operating procedures. Use Loom to train virtual assistants to handle repetitive steps. When you build that foundation early, you'll create leverage. And that's how you 10x your income without burning out. Mindset shift number 4, from chasing trends to owning a niche. Everyone's chasing the next AI gold rush. Logos, thumbnails, faceless channels. But here's what winners do differently. They own one niche. They understand that money loves clarity. When people think of you, they should instantly know what problem you solve. Like, oh, she's the AI repurposing girl. Oh, he's the AI website guy. Oh, that's the guy who automates e-commerce ads. When you have inbound leads start coming to you because they know exactly what you do. So you pick one niche, you build authority, you automate it, and then you scale. So if you take away one thing from this entire video, let it be this. Don't become an AI enthusiast. Become an AI problem solver. Because at the end of the day, tools change every month, but people's problems stay the same. And when you become the person who solves those problems using AI, you stop chasing opportunities and you start creating them. Now, let's pull this all together. I'm gonna show you the step-by-step roadmap to hit your first million or your next million using AI, even if you're not technical. All right, let's get tactical. You've got the mindset, you understand the framework. Now let's map out how you actually build your first or next $1 million AI-powered business. Because this isn't theory, it's a blueprint. And it doesn't require coding, funding, or fancy equipment, just execution. Here's your 5-step roadmap. Step 1, pick one skill you already know or can learn fast. Don't overcomplicate it. You don't need to be an AI engineer. You just need one valuable skill set. It could be writing, designing, editing, marketing, sales, or even operations. Something that already creates value in the world. And if you don't have one yet, pick one skill and commit to learning it for the next 30 days. Remember, AI is a multiplier. It does not replace you. It amplifies your skill. So if you're a writer, AI helps you write faster. If you're a designer, AI helps create faster. If you're a marketer, it helps you test faster. Find your base skill. That is your foundation. Step 2, find 3 free AI tools that make that skill faster. Here's where you gain leverage. Search what are the top AI tools for your specific skill set. You'll find dozens, but start small. Pick 3 tools to help you deliver results faster. For example, if you write, ChatGPT, Jasper, Notion AI. If you design, Midjourney, Ideogram, Canva, Magic Studio. If you edit videos, Opus Clip, Descript, Runway. If you do marketing, Copy.ai, Ad Creative, Perplexity. Spend one weekend learning them inside and out, not just how they work, but how to make them work for you. Because once you know how to create results faster than others, you have a competitive edge. Step 3, use and create one offer to sell using these tools. Now it's a time to make your first money-making machine. Take your skill, power it up with AI, and turn it into an offer. Here's what that might look like. I help YouTubers repurpose long videos into 10 viral shorts using AI. I build AI websites for small businesses, and they're live in 4 to 8 hours. I write high-converting email campaigns using AI 3 times faster and cheaper than anyone else. See where we're going? We're packaging speed and results, not just a service. Here's the secret. You don't have to mention AI in your offer at all. Clients don't care how you do it. They care about the outcome. Sell the result, not the tool. Step 4, validate the offer fast. This is where most people get stuck. They build before they test. Don't do that. Validation means getting yeses before you build those systems. Start simple. Post your offer on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook groups. DM 10 local business owners. Create a Fiverr or Upwork gig. Your goal, get 3 paying clients. That's it. You're not building a brand yet. You're testing for market demand. If 3 people are willing to pay, 30 more will. If no one bites, tweak your offer. That's how you learn faster, by talking to the market, not just thinking in silence. Step 5, automate, delegate, scale. Once your offer works, it's time to scale without burning out. You do that by building systems. Use AI to automate repetitive tasks. Use ChatGPT or Notion to build SOPs. Use Zapier or Make to connect your tools. Use Loom to record your process so you can hire VAs to help. Now, instead of doing the work yourself, you've built a small team or process that runs the machine for you. You now move from operator to owner, and that's how you scale from your first few clients to 6 figures. Then, to hit 7 figures, you expand horizontally. Take what's working and you turn it into a course, a coaching offer, a done-with-you service, or a digital product like templates or automations. Now you're earning from both active income, clients, and passive income, products. That's when the $1 million mark stops becoming a dream and it really just becomes a matter of time and math. All right, we've covered a lot. You now know the truth about making money with AI. It's not about being a tech genius, being the smartest person in the room, or chasing shiny tools. It's about solving real problems faster than everyone else. You've seen the 3-step framework. You've seen real results. You've seen the roadmap to your first $1 million. Now, the only question left is, what are you going to do with it? Because right now, there are two types of people watching this. Type one, the spectators. They watch videos, they take notes, and then do nothing. They're entertained. Next week, they'll be saying, I'm just researching AI ideas. Then there's my type of people. Type two, the action takers. They pause this video, they open up ChatGPT, and they start testing ideas today. They send their first offer. They build their first system. They make their first post. They move, even if it's messy. Guess which group wins? I'm going to tell you the secret. It's always the second one, because you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. If you've been watching this and thinking, yeah, I want to be part of this new wave, but I just need a roadmap, then this is exactly why I built my Skool community. And you're the exact person I built it for. Inside, I'm going to show you step by step how to take everything we talked about today, how to pick a profitable service, plug in AI tools, and even start landing clients over the shoulder with me as I build my agency as well. If you want to make your first dollar online using AI, you start with one service, one tool, and you get one client. If you want to scale to $10,000 a month, you build systems. If you want to hit $1 million a month, you then start teaching, productizing, and scaling what already works for you. You don't have to compete with AI. You just have to leverage it. AI is not actually replacing people. It's replacing the slow people. And if you've made it this far, you're clearly not one of them.